Nobody has time to navigate the hassles of coordinating availability while scheduling or rescheduling appointments. That's why Leadmonk makes appointment booking a simple experience. Share your availability only on the days and times that work for you. Your invitees can book time in your calendar using their email address or mobile number without the back and forth. When your customer chooses an appointment slot, it is instantly confirmed. They receive a meeting invite and an SMS or WhatsApp notification confirming their appointment details, and they can cancel or reschedule their appointment directly from the booking confirmation page. Time saved and emails reduced. Get all the info you need from invitees before the appointment, and collect payment in advance if you're looking for a higher quality appointment. Leadmonk is integrated with your most common business applications, so as soon as an invitee selects the time, everything is automatically updated. Meet one-on-one or in a group. Meet online or offline. Sell services, conduct interviews, sales calls, and consultations. Leadmonk provides all the features you need to stay on top of your scheduling.